Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. Happy Monday. It is Teresa with Critters Crochet, and I'm so excited to be here with you this morning. The retreat this past weekend was the best one we've had yet. It was, we laughed till we peed our pants. We cried, we sang songs, we heard some amazing lessons. One of our um, one of our 12-year-old boys, he did a lesson. He put together a lesson for our devotional, one of our devotionals, and I just teared up. It was such a good lesson, and he did such a good job. And he talked to the other kids uh, about staying strong in their faith and not allowing peer pressure to steer them away from their faith. And it was so good. I was so proud of him. I've known that boy since he was a baby. I I took care of him. I held him on my lap at church. So I'm just so proud to see him grow, and he's just doing so wonderful. But we had a great time. The Airbnb that we stayed in was beautiful, and they had an outside patio, and it had a fire pit. And so we Saturday night we got stuff for s'mores, and we started a fire in the fire pit and sat around it and made s'mores, and it was just a great weekend. So I'm glad to be back, but I miss being there too. So before I get into day 8 of the 12 days of Christmas that Shannon at the Spoony Stitcher and I are doing together, um, I wanted to share something with you guys, and I'm so excited. I was going to do this in a separate video, but I've got some things going on today, and I thought, I can't wait. I got to tell it to you today in this one. So, what I'm going to do is, I've been checking my numbers, and y'all, I'm so excited. Every time I look at my numbers, they're growing every time, and I check them multiple times a day, and every time I open it up, there's more subscribers. I'm so excited. Our channel right now is at 2,245 subscribers. Woohoo! So this is my big goal for 2026 is to hit 3,000. And that's my big goal for our channel. So here's what I'm doing. I'm going to do another giveaway. And now it's going to be Critters Crochet Road to 3K. Okay? So what we're going to do is um, I am going to, and I'll show you this probably in tomorrow's video. I'll show this to you. But I'm going to go through my yarn stash. I've got some brand new yarns that came in a few weeks ago. I'm going to go through that yarn, and I'm going to start off with some yarn. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some yarn in there, one kind of yarn in there, get started. And then when we reach every 100, so we're at 2,245, when we reach 2,300, I'll put something else in. 2,400, I'll put something else in. 2,500, every 100 subscribers, I will add something to the box. And I'm going to do 2 drawings. I'm going to draw one name when we get to 2,500, and you'll win whatever's been collected. And then we'll start collecting again, and I'll choose another name when we reach 3,000. So I'm so excited about that. And I appreciate so much everybody sharing out my channel. We have 2 crochet alongs that are going to be starting in January. We're having a crochet along. I'm doing one with members only, and I'm also doing a crochet along with everyone. So if you'd like to be a part of the members only and can place membership to help the channel, that would be awesome. Um, I'm so sorry, excuse me. I would love it too if you guys would go back to my introduction video. I will put it in the description box. My introductory video for the crochet along that we're all doing, the birthstone blanket crochet along. I will link it in the description box below, but I would love it if you guys could if you guys could share that, if you have a channel, if you could share that link on your community page. Um, if not, if you have a Facebook page or any other social media that you use, if you could share this video out on that and get the word out about the crochet along. For my members, if you would share out the intro video, um, maybe to your friends, or just put a, not share the video out, but put a post. You may not be able to do that, but because members are the only ones that can see it. But if you would create a post, those of you that are my members, and let them know that we're doing a members only crochet along and get the word out about that, that would be awesome, because I really want this. I really want this to blow up. Oh, I can't talk this morning. The crochet along for all of my subscribers. Um, I'm getting new subscribers not only just in the US, but I'm getting subscribers from Australia and from the UK. And I can't, that just blows my mind. I'm so excited about that. So let's get the word out about that, and help promote this crochet along, because it is going to be so fun, and I cannot wait to see all the blankets that get created by everyone. So that's what we're going to do for the prize for reaching to 3,000 subscribers. So um, I was going to say something else about that, and it just left me. Hmm, I'm not sure. I can't remember. Anyway, what I wanted to share with you next is, let's go ahead and I'm going to tag today. I'm going to tag Heather from Strings and Threads. I'm pretty sure I have not tagged her yet. If I have, well, Heather, you get 2 tags. But anyway, Heather at Strings and Threads, she knits and crochets, and she has the most amazing tutorials. She does a really great job in her tutorials, just slowing things down and being very detailed and showing you exactly where to place your hook, exactly how to do the stitch. She's just super great, and she has some really fun tutorials on her channel. She is currently right now doing an Advent crochet along, and I've got to get caught up because I was gone over the weekend. But this is the first 5 days, and this is what it is so far for the first 5 days. And so today I've got to get caught up on day 6, 7, and 8. So I've got 3 days of work to get caught up on this. Um, so I'll have to do that today. Um, but go check out her channel. I'll have her linked in the description box, and go check out her Advent crochet along. This is super easy to do, guys. So even though it's day 8, you could go, if you haven't done it yet, you could go and get started and get caught up very quickly, because it's a really easy pattern to follow. And her tutorials are super easy to follow also. So I wanted to tag Heather at Strings and Threads. And then our recipe for today, I was really trying to think, what could I share for a good recipe? And this recipe is not just Christmas. You could make this anytime for a little appetizer, or if you're doing something and they ask for finger foods. Pinwheels. And the ones I'm talking about are little ham and cream cheese pinwheels. And it's super easy. You soften up a block of cream cheese, and you add a little, you can do two different ways. You can put in the cream cheese, you can put, well, there's actually 3. To the cream cheese, you can add a packet of dry ranch mix, ranch dressing mix, and mix that up. You can also do cream cheese and dill if you like dill, or you could do cream cheese and oh my goodness, it just left. Oh, everything but the bagel seasoning. That's really good. So choose one of those. You could even do Italian seasoning if you wanted to. So you could use either dill, Italian seasoning, everything but the bagel, um, or the packet of dry ranch. Um, either any of those. So I really, my favorite is to use the dry ranch is my favorite. But you mix that into the cream cheese really well. And then you can use 8-inch, 10-inch, whatever size soft shell tortillas you want to use. You spread that cream cheese all over the tortilla. Then you put on a layer of ham. Then you roll that tortilla up really good and wrap it in saran wrap. And it'll make that one block of cream cheese would probably make about, I think, six or eight wrapped up tortillas. And so you want to individually wrap them up in saran wrap really tight. And then you want to put those in the refrigerator and let them chill for a couple of hours. That just sets the cream cheese so that when you take them out of the refrigerator, then you're going to slice them into little thin little slices about maybe half an inch thick. Slice those up, and you have to chill it first because that'll keep them held together. If you cut them right away, they're just going to fall apart. So you put the cream cheese down, layer of ham, roll them up, roll them into some saran wrap real tight individually, refrigerate for about 2 hours. Once you take them out, then you can slice them up and put them on a nice little decorative tray or whatever, and you've got some little ham and cream cheese pinwheels. Super quick, super easy, and oh, I could eat I could eat a ton of them. They're so good. So that's my recipe for today. So, are you guys ready to see what Shannon sent me for day 8? I'm so excited. So let me get here's the package for day 8. So let's flip this up and see what's inside. It says, Paris is calling. Paris is calling. It's got some firmness to it. It appears to be maybe a couple of things in here because you can see the outline right here of something right here. And then there's something else over here. No idea. Paris is calling. Huh. All right, let's see what this is. I just don't know. Maybe it's a plaque of a little plaque of some kind that says Paris on it. Let's see. I'm having so much fun with this, Shannon. I love seeing what you picked out for me. Oh my goodness, Shannon, what is this? Crochet Society. Oh, look at this bag. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's a little pouch, and look what's inside. Look what she put inside. Oh, that is so pretty. Little blank personal blank cards. I love the high heel. The stiletto is gorgeous. Oh, Shannon, I love it. This is so awesome. I mean, you could use this pouch for so many things. I mean, this could be, I mean, it's Crochet Society, so you could put your notions in here to carry with you when you're taking a project, but it would be really cute as a little clutch for little note cards and a pen. Um, I take notes at church all the time when I'm listening to the sermon, so I could put a little notebook and a pen in here and take it with me to worship. Um, I mean, there's all kinds of stuff you could use this for. And it has a little magnet that it closes with. This little magnet closure. Shannon, that is so cute. I've never seen this from Crochet Society. That is awesome. And it's pink and I love it. Thank you, Shannon. I love it. So that is day 8. Oh, I am having so much fun. Sorry, guys. Let me get rid of that. I'm having so much fun with this, and I can't wait to see what day 9 holds. For this week, guys, we are having tomorrow will be day 9 of the Crochet Society. I've got that in the brain now. Tomorrow will be day 9 for our 12 Days of Christmas collab with me and Shannon. So stay tuned tomorrow to see what I'm going to open and what she's going to open. Head over to Shannon's channel after you watch this video and check out what I sent her for day 8. Also, Wednesday is the second week for Battle of the Stitches, so I will be giving you a sneak peek of the project that I am making with the parquet stitch. Um, Thursday and Wednesday will also be day 10. Thursday will be day 11. And then Friday will be day 12. I will come on Friday morning and open up day 12. And then Friday night I believe we're going to start that at 8. I don't think it's the 7:30 time, but let me double check my calendar and be sure. This Friday night at 8 p.m. Central, yes. This Friday night at 8 p.m. Central, Shannon and I will be live. You can watch it on either one of our channels. And we are going to do our film to fiber, and we're going to be revealing the project that we made that inspired us by the movie White Christmas. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's our week ahead. So I'm really excited for this week. Get the word out about our road to 3,000, and let's see. Remember, I'm going to put something in a box for every 100 subscribers. We're at 2,245, so that means we've got 54, or no, 55. We are 55 away from putting the first item in. When we get to 2,500, I'll draw a name to win what we've collected so far. And then when we get to 3,000, I'll draw another name for what we collect from 2,500 up to 3,000. So, guys, I'm so excited for this. And I just hope you guys have a magnificent Monday. I have a Christmas party to go to today for our homemakers group. We're having a Christmas Dirty Santa. We're gonna go to Mexican and have a meal, and then we're gonna play Dirty Santa and just have some fun together. So I'm gonna get ready to go to that here in a little while. But I hope you guys have a marvelous Monday. If you're where it's really cold, stay warm. And I hope you get lots of crocheting done today. And just hope you have a wonderful, fabulous day. So I will see you on Tuesday. I love you guys. I am blown away by all the support that you give me on this channel. And I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.